Working in the garden can be time-consuming, especially if you're having a hard time getting your plants and veggies to cooperate. But sometimes, the best ideas come in the form of strange hacks. If you're looking for a few ways to spruce up your gardening tricks, try one of these unusual tactics. 1. Slow the spread of blight with pennies. Blight can ruin an entire crop in your garden. If you want to save your plants without turning to chemicals, slice partway through an infected branch and insert a pre-1983 penny into the slit. The copper should help slow the spread enough to harvest your crop. 2. Keep dirt out of your nails. Before you head out to dig in the soil, run your nails over a bar of soap. The soap will add a buffer to block the dirt. Just rinse it all away, and then you're done in the garden. 3. Control weeds in planted beds. Prevent weeds around flowers and shrubs. An eco-friendly and cheap way to control weeds is to cover the ground under your plants with thick layers of wet newspaper for shrubs and flowers, and then put a 4-inch layer of mulch on top. The newspaper will eventually decompose, but garden weeds will be few. 4. Kill grass and weeds off-season. This is a great DIY for winter. Cover the area where you've chosen to garden with thick black plastic. Stake it down so it won't blow away. Wait about 6 weeks or so. Everything under the plastic will be dead. 5. Keep fungus away with cinnamon. One risk of transplanting flowers, fruits, and plants is that there is a higher risk of fungus growth on the replanted roots. Protect the roots by dipping them in cinnamon before replanting. 6. Plant forks and keep deer and raccoons away. Nobody wants to step on a fork that's been wedged into the ground. Ouch! Wedge the forks into the ground near young plants to keep noshers away. Just remember to watch where you step when you go out to feed your veggies. 7. Bury old pennies around your plant. The penny is the star of the show in this video. Didn't you know slugs aren't very fond of copper? When coins containing copper are buried partway around your plant, they not only keep the slugs away, but can keep your soil healthy and your plants safe from fungal infections. You could also attach pre-1983 pennies to a clean baseball or bowling ball with water-resistant glue and place it in your garden. It looks pretty and keeps your veggies safe. 8. Grow roses in potatoes. Take rose cuttings and insert them into a potato. Then bury the potato in the ground and watch your roses bloom. The potatoes help keep the plant moist while it grows. 9. Keep pests at bay with milk jugs. Protect the environment and keep your plants safe from bugs and animals with used milk gallons. After washing the jug, cut off the bottom and place the top over new plants, covering the base with